In this video, I will show you how to add new account to Windows 10. Firstly, press Windows key and search for Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Accounts. In Sidebar, select Email and Accounts. And here click on Add an Account. In pop-up, you can select which type of account it is. I will use Google account. In new pop-up, type your email. Now enter your email password and press Enter. Then if you have two-step verification, verify your login with phone. After verification is completed, press Continue. Then scroll down and click Allow. Now you can download app or just press Done in bottom right. And that's it. You added another account. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.